Think you know AI? Prove it. Identify this AI pioneer. What does this diagram represent? Identify this AI hardware. What model state is shown? Which AI company's logo is this? Identify this humanoid robot. What test is depicted here? What is this security feature? What type of vehicle is this? Identify this AI Labs logo. Who is this AI researcher? What optimization algorithm is shown? What statistical method is this? What learning paradigm is shown? Identify this agile robot. What clustering algorithm is depicted? Identify this AI scientist. Who is this AI executive? Which company makes these chips? Identify this AI hardware chip. What network type is this? What architecture generates these images? Identify this activation function. Which activation function is shown? What field uses this parsing tree? What computer vision task is this? What AI generated this image? Which AI won Jeopardy in 2011? Which AI defeated Gary Kasparov? Which AI mastered this board game? What algorithm uses this hyperplane? What network processes sequential data? What architecture powers modern LLMs? What sensor is on this car? What AI-powered device is this? Who coined the term AI? Who is the first computer programmer? Identify this AI company's logo. Which AI uses this logo? Identify this open source AI platform. What AI infrastructure is this? What AI interface is shown? What system suggests these movies? What text visualization is this? What programming language is this? What model uses this structure? What model error is shown here? What learning type uses labeled data? What learning type groups unlabeled data? What technique reuses pre-trained models?